Okay, so now I'm going to adjust the fuel mixture screw, just a cold stat, and that is on the right hand side, in all the way, right, and then out 2 revolutions, and then I give it a tap to release the spring. On the left side, we are half, 1.5 revolutions. And now we're going to check the carbs sync, and we'll do this again when it's hot later at the very end, but just for something we can get over with. I have 2 pieces of coat hanger, about 4.5 inches long, I guess, and I slide them in the slides there, and then I make sure that my throttle has a little bit of rotation in it of slack, so nothing's going on. And now I'm going to come in here and watch the end of those wires, and when I crank my throttle, you can see them move. You know, that doesn't look bad to me, so I'm going to go with that for now, and we'll adjust it at the very end when it's hot. But okay, so now I'm going to start it and let it warm up to temperature. So let's do that. Turn the gas on. These are gravity fed, so I always give it a second. Alright, she's good. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to let it warm up.